at work, y'all. So, we'll do a CARBANG tonight. Hey, can I buy a cup of cheese? How much cheese? Oh, hi. Thank you. So yeah, y'all, I'm back. So I got the Taco Bell on deck. Got the cheese sauce. Got a Frito burrito. And a nacho, y'all. Had to get something quick to eat because it worked, like I said. But needed something. I got the Sprite, y'all. Y'all see it? No, I haven't shot y'all in a while. But I just kind of doing some things. Just got a new car and stuff like that. So yeah, just been moving around, doing things, you know. Oh. Something on my shirt. Yeah. But y'all, I know y'all can't see me, sorry. If y'all are new to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe. It's your girl, Give Me a Minute Read. Do check out the coldest water bottle. See, y'all, I wasted sauce on my shirt. Check out the coldest water bottle link in my description bottle. Also, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. But yeah, y'all, what's been up? How y'all been? I hope everybody's doing well. Yeah, I ain't gonna do too much talking because I gotta get back in here. I just really miss y'all. And I just feel like I've been neglecting y'all, so I heard the soup. I heard you come soup, y'all. See that? That's pretty good. The third is so late. Oh, that's pretty good. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all this nacho. I'm gonna go inside. See, it's just a mini nacho. Yeah. Take the top off of it. Just a mini nacho, see y'all? So yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside. Again, I miss y'all. I miss y'all. I will be coming back soon, y'all, with another video. So, y'all give me a minute, and I'll be back. So yeah, y'all, that wasn't working for me outside. Too dark out there. I couldn't get my camera right, but I'm gonna finish it inside. So that's what I wanted to show y'all, the nacho. Just a little mini nacho. It ain't too much, you know, this late at night. I just wanted to get a little snack. Little snack in. You know. Y'all know how that hunger kicks in. Just need something, you know. Yeah, there we go. Something quick cook. You know, like I said, I got the little burrito. And that Sprite on bit. Start to hit that hot sauce down. Something like y'all know when you first bite into a burrito. Oh, it got beans in it. Oh man. Oh, that sucks. Oh man, y'all got beans on here. Anyway, you know, when you first bite into a burrito, how sometimes you don't have nothing at the end. I be hating it. But yeah, like I said, sorry for not shooting in a minute. In about 5 days, I think. I just been trying to get it together, y'all. For this new year coming. Man, y'all, it's been extra cold. I know that. Extra cold. But yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna keep y'all too long. Like I said, I had to come see y'all. Come see y'all, huh? I know that's what it's about. So yeah, y'all, just give me a minute. I love y'all. And like I said, I'll be back.